Hey guys, what's up? I'm Steve and we are Southwest Active Explorers, and today we're going to be looking at the Teraflex Speed Bumps.
Oh, that was it.
Well, alright guys, there you have it. As you saw, they soak up those whoops pretty good. Installation is very easy on these things. It takes a little bit of time. You got to disassemble the front end quite a bit. The rear end is super simple. These are a vast improvement over the stock bump stops. Are they as good as air or hydraulic bump stops? No, because they're not adjustable. But are they worth the money? In my opinion, yes. Well guys, thanks for tuning in. If you like what you saw, please hit that like button, hit the bell for notifications, subscribe, and as always, stay active and keep exploring.